In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how we can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen. Now here we do want to swipe down from the top right side, as there's two different sides, so notifications and the toggles. We're looking for the toggles on the right side. And look for the screen recorder. It will look like this, a little camera icon. You can also swipe down once more, and this will actually show you the names for these toggles. So click on it. It will ask you for permission to microphone, so we're going to click on OK. Allow screen recorder to record audio. We can select while using the app. And it gives you this overlay right here with start recording, folders, which takes you to the folder where you have only screen recordings and nothing else, settings, and close option. In settings, you can customize the quality of the screen recording and possibly turn off things like the show touches on the screen wherever you like scrolling up or down. On the video recording, you might have like a semi-transparent gray dot show up where your finger was pressing the display. But in any case, I'm going to begin the recording. So once you click on the red square, it will automatically save the screen recording to your AI gallery. Not sure why it's called AI, but whatever. And you can see it right here under the Photos tab, but you also can navigate to Albums and then select the screen recording album. And just like this right here, I guess it's the same thing, right? Yep. So it's the same thing. It just quickly takes you to the AI gallery, to the screen recording album, and you can tap on it to view it. Now, one thing that I can already see from the screen recording, by default it is set to run at 30 frames, so it looks a bit more choppy, and I believe you can change that most likely in the settings if you want to, but higher frame rate will also increase the amount of storage this kind of screen recording will take. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.